guys, so I'm going to show you guys how I add this model paper to this table. I did do a video on this paper. I bought it off Amazon. If you want to see more information about it, please go ahead and check that video out. Now, things you are going to need is, of course, the paper, whichever paper of your desire, and a blade cutter. Okay? So, let's get right into this video. Please be careful when using this tool. Now, before you go about adding the paper to this table, you want to make sure that it's totally clean. And when I say clean, meaning you clean it down with a wet rag just to take off any residue or dust that may be on it. So, this is where the challenge is. So first you want to make sure it's all spread out, right? You want to make sure that there is extra piece hanging under the table. And the good thing, it has like these borders, so you can work from that border. All right. Oh boy, I'm gonna cut the table. It would be nice if you lay this on another surface and not on the table, but since I'm gonna cover it up, I don't think it's a problem. You do not want to cut the exact amount that fits the table. You want to go over that measurement, okay? So let's see if this came out okay. So far, so good. Okay. Now here comes the challenging part. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I should have been smart. I'm gonna move this, and I'm going to do it little by little, okay? Now, I'm going to pull the paper under there and glide it down. All right. Okay, so now I have it laid flat on the ground. We're focusing on these corner pieces here. So I'm going to go ahead and rub my hand towards the side, you know. I don't expect to get it to perfection, but I somewhat get it to perfection. The goal is right here, and I got it to be on here, honey. Look. Nice, nice, nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a beautiful day. Bye.